Another one of those, I forgot my lock. See how sturdy these locks are. Here's a lock versus a pair of Mac tools. Good leverage. Ooh, it's tough. One hand won't do it. One hand is not doing it. Let me set you guys down right here, up against the black, and you'll hear the snap. If two hands will do it. And, well, isn't that a fairly sturdy lock? The only other way I know to get one of these locks off. Oh, God. Doesn't even feel like I'm doing anything to it, so. Alright, the lock withstands these. Next implement of destruction. Okay, well, we know those dikes didn't work, or the side cutters, diagonal pliers. Let's see this. See if these work. These are a mini set of compound diagonal pliers or bolt cutters. All right, let's see if that works. Just listen for the click and well, there you go. That is how strong these locks are. Okay, they'll stand up to... Uh-oh. Did I leave them out there? No, they're right here. They'll stand up to some high leverage diagonal pliers. But some mini bolt cutters, I mean, it stood up pretty well. It did take me... I had to use both hands, but made it through it. Hey, lady. Hey, lady. Come here. Hold for me, please. So, I'll show you guys. So now that you can see it in action, you gotta get it in there. No, the whole thing. There you go.
That's what she said.
And then, once you get a little crimp, see two hands crossed over. Take some force. All right. Let's try the stopped it. Technical difficulties.
The wife.
Okay, you said it. I didn't have to. Oh, these big guys, can you get the whole length so they could see me mashing down on that? Yeah, they're nothing for that. So, how secure is your gun lock? California, not very secure. And there we go. This one is ready to rock and roll. Next I need to do is figure out how to de-California-ize this one, because it is the kind that the liberals at bare minimum would prefer you to have, which completely and utterly sucks because, ow, that really hurts. You have to load it this way. Couldn't even use a speed loader on that. So, I'm going to look into it. It should be maybe just knocking this pin out right here. And you could drop the AR, and then you got to put a regular magazine drop in there. Regular magazine release. But other than that, there you go. Wow. Don't judge me on that one, please. That was like a rookie-ass mistake. There we go. There you go. stay tuned as we de-Californiaize this AR. Classic AR-15. Not super classic, but classic enough, you know? You know? Vulcan Arms. It's a decent one. 223-556, just the way you need to keep it.